Hello again guys, we're back at the gym at my as usual full force fitness gym. It's been a week I didn't go to the gym due of a busy workload overload. So wow, every time I miss about a week at the gym, I was just gonna see take it easy and take it slowly, not like a heavy lifting kind of thing, and have a good weekend. And we're gonna start our new vlog. Okay, we're gonna do today a low row, start a bit lightweight for now. Okay. Okay, once it is done guys, so today it's not too bad at all. It's a Sunday 12:30 in the afternoon. In the Philippines probably around 2 or 3 in the morning. So I choose this machine equipment because mostly you can do everything here. You can do pull down, cable crossover, tricep, bicep, and same as this area right here, you can do tricep. Okay, so we're gonna put another weight to it, so probably 70 pounds. Okay, sorry my delays guys. Probably 1 or 2 more sets, and we're good to go. Well, every time, don't forget your stretching and you warm up. And every time you use the equipment or machineries, just always take precaution, guys, to avoid serious injury. Okay. Now that low row, we put the dumbbell to it, so a bit harder. Okay. Relax for a bit. Yeah. Okay. You got YouTube? It's Kevin right here. My buddy. Don't know. Yeah, I just started about 3 months ago. Yeah. Journey. Yeah, exactly. See, the gym is not too busy at all. It's quiet. So yeah, it's easy for me, and I can done the faster routine, guys. So I love that the gym is not busy. Can do a lot of things, but I miss about a week, so probably this afternoon is gonna do a single routine workout, the low sorry again guys, pardon my delays. It's hard to angle guys, the angle was a bit okay. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Holy smoke guys, that's about 4 set of fluoro. Yeah, so every time guys it's a bit hard for me because I was miss the gym about almost a week due of the busy work. So I know you guys doing a good weekend, and then probably that's it. We call it a day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time guys. Peace out.